Reverse logistics and service quality is our commitment as the wireless industry to add standards for quality device repair.
Before CTIA, the device repair industry was wild, wild west. People in their basements doing YouTube videos and no standardization.
Consumers were bringing in their phones to trade them in. And it was almost like every individual company was making up their own rules.
We're on the same team. We're serving the same customers. And there has to be this cohesive level of service that must thread us together.
I wanted to create a holistic ecosystem for all of the players who are actually supporting a standard in trusted repair. The Reverse Logistics and Service Quality Working Group started with about 12 companies, and today we're well over 70 companies.
It allows smaller companies to have a seat at the table.
Sitting in a room and collaborating with industry veterans that had done it for a long time.
With expertise in reverse logistics that you normally could not get in a room together.
I get to talk to those people and we have in-depth conversations about repairs, parts, disposal.
We're able to wrap our brand around a framework of success.
We now have a common voice, a common language that we can speak.
That really helped bring everyone together, and it's just moving the industry forward.
Over the last 5 years, we have definitely climbed a huge mountain. We have academic institutions that are actually now teaching wireless industry service excellence as a course.
WISE certification gives the consumer trust. It's a benchmark.
And by providing that pathway to certification, you just really build that consumer base and trust in what it is that our industry should look like.
The next 5 years is going to be pretty bright, and I see it continuing on 5, 10, 15 years. As the industry grows and changes, RLSQ, I think, will be leading that forefront, making sure that we are all on the same page as a whole.
It's a thankless job a lot of times and tireless work, and they've really pulled off what I would have deemed an impossible feat.